Hey, third grade. So today you are going to be learning about the text feature that is cause and effect. And we've looked at cause and effect earlier this year, and we looked at it with fiction text. So today we're going to look at it with nonfiction text. So cause and effect. Cause is why something happens, okay? And an effect is what happens because of the cause. If you are looking for causes and effects in text, you're going to be looking for some words like this. Words like because, so, since, as a result of, and due to. So let's look at the example that's on the bottom of this slide. It says, the Civil War began because of the issue of slavery. After 4 years of fighting, over 600,000 soldiers died. As a result, the Confederacy collapsed and the slavery was abolished. So if you look at that example, the first thing we're looking for is the cause. So why did the Civil War begin? Well, it began because of slavery. So here's our clue word because right here, and it's telling us why. Then we would ask ourselves, well, what is the effect of this war happening? Well, the effect of the war happening was that the Confederacy collapsed and slavery was abolished. So that would be the effect. Let's look at another example together. So remember, when you're looking for cause and effect relationship, you're looking for some of these clue words like because, so, as a result of, and due to. So see if you can find some of these words on the next slide when we read the next passage together. So this passage says, baby painted turtles spend all their winters in their nests. They have special chemicals in their blood that can keep their blood from freezing. As a result, baby painted turtles can survive freezing temperatures. So my first question for you is, do you guys think you can find the cause of this one? If you said the cause of the baby sea turtles spending their winters is that they have special chemicals that make their blood from freezing, that would be the cause. The effect of them having these special chemicals in their bodies that makes their blood not freeze, the result of that is that they can, sorry, my slide keeps moving. The result of that is that they can survive in freezing temperatures. Okay, let's look at one more example together. This one says, the snowstorm on the night of March 10th that brought in 4 feet of snow was crazy. Due to this, people were out shoveling snow from their sidewalks the next day. The power lines were covered in ice, snow plows drove down every street, and the children were happy. The unexpected snowstorm caused school to be canceled. So I want you to look at this passage. Do you see any clue words that look for a cause and effect relationship? Why something happened and what happened because of it? So what caused the children to be out of school on that day? If you said that the cause is that they had a giant snowstorm, you are correct. In this one, there's more than one effect of them having a snowstorm. So the sentences that say, due to this, people were out shoveling their sidewalks, that is one effect. Another effect was that the power lines were covered in ice. A third effect was that the snowplows drove down every street. And the last effect is that the kids were happy because they didn't have school. So cause and effect, remember and think about a cause is why something happens, and then the effect is what happens because of the cause. So you guys are going to read an article next about volcanoes, and you're going to be looking for those causes and effect relationships. So keep those clue words in your head about words like because, so, since, as a result of, and due to. And they will help you to figure out what is the cause and the effect relationship. As always, if you need any extra help, just message your teacher and we're here to help you. Bye, guys.